yetie mu kokoo no ho na monsenka ye nyina ne se de aban no aye no emfa kwam. Of course some of us yensu yakasa ho pi but mumu nyina so pa ne say
yenyina so pa mamindi kan share na min share with you yenyina so pa ne say Nhyira aban na ne niema 1 to 2 year they were in friend mismanagement and akwa fast asemoyaba so we catch us say asemoyaba because koko no bo akofom wa mansan adwa so ntina yete so Ghana patch of permanent field studio because enye no that is not the reason enye first time koko no bo aba form ni by okwan a ye fa so eton ye koko a se ne bo okosoro aba form enka koko akwa for Ghana anya hwe kra no the worst case scenario is that yentum
okay
na say better bottle back could be also 1,000 cedis e bin see that and the reason is that you were a quiet fast ton ye koko ye ma me mo eton ade okuru o mo eton ade ntools ni ade okuru sebe nya do man ko school krampo no mo nim se ye kodwom na se te se bia ntools na ye ton na ntools e bua ne bo beba fom ana me boa e buru ba ne bo ba fom mo buso ne bo ba fom ene bi ni ho a ne bo koso we ye ma me mo anko school krao eno ntino Cocoa board now or ton Ghana cocoa or toffee for no aton or quite of fast ton Ghana cocoa ne bo back for more cocoa Ghana your friend of forward sales approach mamin pebre kakrancho mo fa ne say ya wada ye beko idwom ya wada ya market day meton entos medintos kenten edu ene beko idwom ya wada na me economy nim say mame ya mansan so de kenten ahene beba kwajeje di kenten ahene beba ekua poko ade kenten ahene beba menim yebedu ona se ntos na doso ane bo beba fom nti obi bi a friend of hedging nti hedging no kwan fa so yene ne se enne no mefre wo mo ba beto ntos no na me no makasa se ya wada me de kenten du beba me pese me no nhihye se de ba kenten du no emunson me de be mawo ebia 100 cedis na ya wada no yedu dwom a de asibia no me ensa na aka no ebo a enkofo de je no na me de bejewo ndi ya wada no se bedu ona se ebuso na ne bo na ba fa ne se 80 cedis a kenten me ensa ne pe na meton na 80 cedis enso ne de medical aton no forward at 100 cedis na me price stability eno ntino metumi abagina ebusuafo ni maka chom se ya wada me kodwom ba man nya bia mo bia kra no metumi amobia ebia beye 80 cedis because medical ton kenten so that at 100 cedis but what am I
yeah
ana ye hedge ye koko
ese bia ebra abo no be kosoro na waton mu fa dodo no a
yes
okay
tisana ye no yewra randia be ni board for buy NDC buying reset no eno mo so mo be sano say yemfre atofo no eno mo nye sa agreement we na bia ya wada ye be kona ne bo na di 200 me see ya maame mo eton to so kuru kwampo ni say enye de bia na abekọ a obenya price pa nti ye hedge omo mbaye no omo se omo asesa no from 70% forward sales no omo asesa no to about 25 to 30% forward sales. The akano 75 to 80% na Canada. Yenye no spot. You could not jump ya wada na don't come me price will be at the bebane aje. And no na koma afie we see. Oman ton forward sales ninti omo begina ho no. Ne bo na ba form na kan. Na yen ba ba mu 2017 to 2018 na ne bo na ba form no. Ade nti ne yen tumi anka say ye teso. Ya nteso because ne tumi aye forward sales nti tumi hedge price no. Eka se anya hwe kra ne ntum
right
nti se swati po a saban be soso kakra ban soso na dachi ne bo kosoro aye de ate eka sa ne ton de omo ba no ma be sesan nti so bi be ka kire o se ne bo aba form ti no mo te so a ne bo ba form de bia kosoro de bia cocoa price enyina faako na omo mismanagement a omo de change forward sales approach na no na kofa problem aba second problem ne say Ghana currency nene overvalued. Nhyira currency nankasa ne level no aban ne money new ho nti de oye ne se boso me bia no a pump dollars are you about me the gold purchase program buy a and they nya gold nya dollars no eno na odwiri na pump go market no so dollar ni gina 10 because of the political points say dollar na ba form. The users say can be upon say dollar na ba form. Dollar na ba form. We be kaya 2025. 50 March na me start pointing out say dollar na ba form because of more pompe. As my make me did say obedi hu dance. First no more interest en no kre. E be wi eche no magia to say 2025 no kwa no more pompe over $10 billion.
Yeah, me ka say me no wedding Nkrumah mo aka sa se mo ma me kra me ka tro say obi a pompe me ye ho argument kakra wa ha.
Yes. Kasa $10 billion. No betumi dia yenke dumbi ama Ghana. No betumi dia si hospital bi na betumi dia yibibi. Ba empe no nto nchen. De omo ya no so omo pompe say dollar na ba for. Dollar ba for ma omo e kokra ne ma fi abotire ba no. Omo na boa omo. Nti bo se ne ma e kra fi abotire aba no. Ne bo be ba form kakra. Na dia ye manufacture wo Ghana ha se yankasa no. Ne boa ye den akoso. Nti ye exports be expensive. Nti no e kan ho bi na afiama cocoa board dollar I won't say nka cocoa board ne saka o se sana ba cedis a na nka wenya cedis dey to akuafo no se say swat be close to 40%. And no na create problem when you say ne bo akofom ne bo ne ekofom de bia e kosoro de bia na omo mo hyehyeye se no ntina ye catch aban say number 1 untumi say hyehyeye no na uwi a wa catch cocoa akuafo say o te o mo bag bia 1000 cedis de akutua wo hyehyeye bone no de akutua ka. That should not be allowed to happen. Would ni bi mawasi aye monokro no. Enti 3,600 na okasa o de ba mom. For my de mom na ma ban so so. Say next year na opeso yen sisan ya o tumi yen sisan. Oni se nkofo bi ntia se say. Aban no de all can say koko a wa gifiti November a ontua aka. A no ka kire akuafo so betua 36 no. Sa koko na waje no. Otua 2,560.
No, I think say clarity by say the oma toda than they will pay the 3,600. Metie obi ne I think was it one of government spokesperson or that instance. I want to get the information. No, so mbetria and but the later one.
Metie o propaganda boys no. O propaganda boys ne dey. Na nye propaganda ya na dey abedu hey. Koko kwani no ediama ye friend saying amajaro se hwan na amajaro afi no dey koma cocoa board na cocoa board amaniska no cocoa board si fiti nano pay sa cocoa no obetua 2,580 or so into wo cocoa kwani a do cocoa ma amajaro na and nano pay afina majaru all train sika for last stock 36. Now I supply new one no. And no it's coming at 2,500.
The old one now omatono. Your information is that ombetria 2,500 no.
I mean so cocoa value chain no. Cocoa board na a cocoa ni na as the eventual buyer.
Yeah.
Before cocoa board the LBC is never ji cocoa if you cocoa for no. And sana cocoa kwani na kasa so cocoa go. Now the problem is that LBC is ne di kanyaji be 10 billion Ghana cedis of cocoa e di akoma cocoa board. A cocoa board into ya no mbetu ya at old price no.
And that's 3,600.
Okay. And sana fiti November bedu ne no LBC is no majiji cocoa e wo cocoa akuafo no ho.
Okay.
E wo LBC no ho cocoa board ntoye. Or si fiti nano pay or just akuku na obetia 2,580.
Okay.
Na nti sa difference no one bebe. LBC ne bebe. Cocoa board ntia. In fact cocoa board no and no mo call emergency cabinet meeting we ya on be announcement. Abansi o ma cocoa board sika o. Have you explored how they are going to pay for it? Or say local processing companies you know and then companies can cocoa board. Na cocoa board emphasis can ma LBCs no. Na LBCs net ya cocoa farmers no. But what you know?
Say almost a local processing. And you know, they will be buying the cocoas locally.
So Bailey cocoa board out right now. I also buying Piscama cocoa board. Say Genetia LBCs no mutu for.
Yeah.
Na later buying so also what train say niche cocoa ni barikalibo ni nke kan fo na omo ko pesika emre cocoa board. Na cocoa board enkotua LBC so sana LBC na kwa kotua kuafo na gofo bewu.
Yeah, that one I agree with you. I see any alternative, yeah.
And until you say, buying normal emergency liquidity assistance now to Cocoa Board for Cocoa Board to be able to meet its obligations.
Sure.
Now, where you now because of problems, me no na yakan. And until I say board no ni CEO no or mampeni or now must say no mountain say NDC ko na nkasa mo me sure say yeba kumase a yebenya NDC mpenimfo a omoti Kojo dwumedie na se eye esen we mo de ama me. Na wo de on fem ma o me nka so on fem ma MPP ni bi. Omo anka so omo ho no mbenya nkofo atiase no mo fem ma o. Na omo nya the right thing. Number 2 I was saying many ya no. Omo sesa echo back to the forward sales approach. And yes say ya cocoa price na echo form no. Yet ya no masan about the patch and say 25 no crown no to mean to ani bo akofo bio. Enti omo be san so. Because they are not hedging. Hedging strategy na yo on and omo dey politics say no nti no omo nto aso.
But Oppong Nkrumah mo kan say ya na omo nso ye reference say enye sebe da ekuru beto kraman pampam no da no an wuwu edi bre kakra nsa no wawu enti no efri baabi na bedru ha mismanagement of the cocoa sector no from time memorial even the number investigation into 8 years before now say yanhwe ho ye and the evidence are also clear. Say there was a time in 2021 na ayedin amamo say mo aban na was wo betumi atua kokko akuafo kama even yewra edu mo ana wo parliament mo friends who me ya no kra wo parliament enu achi kokko na yete almost 1 million ton eso te ya ba fema medu ba bi kra de ne number 400,000 and some little na o hwesa no ma nyina ne sector ne car wo mo ade asese kra ne ka equity no just negative kra eye weak na mo free so na ye me how do you explain that?
Edi kan ye ba ba mo 2017 no ma ja Cocoa Board ka e wo ho ye ba ye no ye sumu etua o te say
1.8 billion.
Yes, o te say ye complain say o ma ja ka there be ye sumu ni etua e na baby e wo say ekope sika e de to industry no so no ye to aso nti sa suban na de bia na omho kire o ma na MPP for na ye MPP for na ye no Ghana for abresa de no wa betena konya so 1 year ye bae no na wajaye ka Cocoa Board san call for May 2018 cabinet meeting no mo na ye decided 2018-2019 cocoa prices me na me wombi na wajaye ka na cocoa price call for still ya ntiso nti sa story say na yi cocoa so from 1,000 metric tons to 1 ye hurada tugu omo ano munsu omo niema eswa. Number 2 se na ka wo hwa e kana meme wo mo a enyina so ben no mo de two cocoa ni mo from 3,100 to 3,600 last season se na because of a car enyina so ben and now mo de two move from 3,100 to 3,600
enra me to force in war na or kire say Ivory Coast that time no matum by certain percentage and so mukushin farmers no the latter part of last year no now mutimi ye motivated
enti say odeka na kanon to mintia na ode prekopese watum because Ivory Coast watu omudemu ensi so o ma semene ensi so
okay
because I say na ka wo a say na wo buy na wo ka from 2025 no eni say utu anambwa utu 2 times last year from 3,100 we can about 3,228 and I feel the call 3,600 na that time na e kan ni ho because ye ka obi ka ye ka na japade ye ka ho obi wu ye tie krasi obi wu na esi o wu ye kwa kobi enu niam so a so obi ba se order ne car ye tro ka no to wa ne atro na japade so ato anameboa ne ya ka sampo de ka se na japade se Cocoa Board wo hwesa o mo kan ya ne o mo kan ya so wo kan o assets no revenues boma it you aka no wi kwa man faso
for now o share Cocoa Board negative equity in 2024 no I think say it mean justify we ana
they say wo share o mo debt a o mo kan any equity ho asem dey equity there say me be adwuma na me discussion say over the years o man make losses na losses are o man making a wipe away in equity now and yet the same as say no more the can I compare assets and revenues. I best way to those are two different accounting equations.
Right.
It is almost a car and a dahwa. It's almost a Japadi and revenues were him. Or can boom na fetches in Rabia. Opa, a mobile and Dania the animal. The thinking is city and say, one master trading model and aqua offer a cab fee. And now, who do you obey in Tino? You blame MPP for an investigation now, almost on Bayano. I don't know, the last 8 years.
Because
12 years and now 16 years. Because on person their politics.
Because almost say a bin see that say cocoa board aban bi be free so na wonu behwe ejapade a cocoa board wo no mo de betoto e car cocoa board de ho a wonu benya weak liquidity and negative patterns because 32 point something billion a omu ni say enya de a eso almost so nti on behwem bia na bibia fa be
31.9 na me say the access no revenue e bro so kra but the point I'm making to you is so almost on person me investigation and politics we say the on person me say on person me politics say and before na be say cocoa board and before na be say cocoa board nti e be investigation say ya NDC for chiro almost share bono muntu me so say o kape no ma start we mo cross investigate we mo ka eno a ehunu na say ya ehunu say o person o investigation okro mu a and you can go back the last 16 years na say a car obia so ebo afie bia ene mfaso a obi anya afie bia na wo de wo ba no wo say wo de ye obi de na nye awo so mo ba ban mu o mba na nkofo ejina court ni nyina no prosecute say o mo nye bibia yenya o na fi kofi oposun kansa ko chiro say what say say obi akoton scholarship na akoche na tumbe 2 days omo ankasa NDC for ankasa kora nim say sa ade we politics no mo it is our investigation no kan tugu politics no person mo ye no mo de kata asem no so tum futurugu akuafo nani e o say me akuafo no tia say they are abey because of aban ankasa ni decisions I will take here one pumping two changing of the trading model. No, Dom Kumano, you make recommendations. Say one, on restore 3,600. Who they say 3 is new nyakra to Yakufado 3,100 now. Two, San Sakayana my trading model. No, I was a most once the sun or channel of price not off from you. Most people have a catch like for say price call from TS and Tisubu. 3, penny for my conforma better now. I must say, man, no, my no montina baby. Namumfa NDC for penny for Mutia Manase and Mayor. Na sa story say na ina e kawo ho ne ka e ka de Ghana de bia kawo baby
okay
ye de aduma ne sha wo sa wutu dane no abrante yo ba ya o tetoy combat ya o tetoy ya o ba ya o say kawo ho to ye aduma but wotumi adane ma to ye aduma abi jina ba be ka say na o ba ya ka da ho nti na aduma no ontumi nye ye ba mu Ghana Publishing Company na e she me ma say as information minister they are running it down manual near many nani ade what is say you can say e ka ho nti into mean that yes sound to turn new machines near ade new MDO buy on so page am different level sa na ade adwuma ma wa ye no
okay you're Oppong Nkrumah mama na ase anope
on
so Oppong Nkrumah ye ofo ase ayire bi ade hye wo no umra hye bedwani ne ne kotwetwe enkomo no you're Abintin